In a show of defiance against federal court judges, the Trump administration continues to shrug off orders, this time for the immediate return of Abrego Garcia, a Maryland man who the administration already admitted to wrongfully deporting to an El Salvador prison, along with scores of others under suspicion of gang affiliation last month.
For the second time in this case, they sent a lawyer into court who had no answers.
The Trump administration had previously been ordered to provide a detailed roadmap of plans to return Abrego Garcia back to his family in the U.S., but the administration has repeatedly flouted those demands. In her ruling Friday, Maryland Federal District Judge Paula Zinnes called the administration's failure to comply, quote, extremely troubling, before demanding daily updates on the status of Abrego Garcia's return. That ruling came a day after the Supreme Court ruled the administration should facilitate bringing him back.
The Supreme Court said bring somebody back. I would do that. I respect the Supreme Court.
In a separate deportation case playing out in Louisiana, Palestinian Columbia University student and U.S. permanent resident Mahmoud Khalil plans to appeal a ruling that on Friday gave the Trump administration the green light to kick Khalil out of the country for leading pro-Palestine protests.
It was the epitome of the lack of due process.
Last month, U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio invoked the 1952 Immigration and Nationality Act as grounds to justify deporting Khalil, saying his views could harm American foreign policy interests and calling his speech unlawful.
We wanted to examine Marco Rubio and say, what are you talking about? His ideas are that threatening to the United States?
Khalil, whose wife is an American citizen, has said his speaking out against the U.S. supporting an Israeli military occupation of Palestine is being wrongfully conflated with anti-Semitism. Khalil is among several international students in the U.S. who are facing deportation for participating in political protests. Neither Khalil or Abrego Garcia have been criminally charged. Carolyn?
Candice Cole in Washington, thank you.